Organic home farming is on the rise as more families grow their own vegetables for healthier living and a closer connection to nature. For the Seyfried family, legacy means passing down the values of organic farming. Today, they're getting a head start to growing together with a few raised beds. Designing Spaces invited gardening expert Heather Blackmore with over 25 years of hands-on experience. Heather inspires gardeners everywhere to grow where they are.
Hi, Heather.
Hey, Heather.
Hey. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, of course.
Absolutely.
So, Mark, let's kick this off with you. I hear food and family is at the heart of everyone at the table. Tell me about that.
Eating better has just become something that really is a focus for me and our family. So the idea was here is like, let's see, how much of this can we do on our own?
Karen, where are you at with all of it?
We love it out here so much. And, we raised the kids, our 3 kids, Kaylin and her brother and sister, 3 meals a day, cooked food, and we didn't have all the GMO issues and things back then. So now it's figuring out how to grow your own and continue to eat healthy.
And that's quite a legacy. So, Kaylin, tell me what growing your own food means for you.
Being able to grow our own food just sounds like a great and beautiful lifestyle, especially involving the children in that, and them actually knowing where it's coming from.
Oh, sure.
So,
sure.
Yeah.
And Joey, you've had some challenges here, huh? So let's hear it.
Well, I found out from our neighbors that this area, they had plans to do an orange grove here. And they, through soil testing and stuff, they found out it really was not going to work. I think kind of moving towards like raised beds and kind of being able to cultivate that soil to produce what we need is going to be kind of the route we're taking,
Oh, absolutely. Well, I've got some great ideas for you. So let's head over to the garden. We'll check it out.
Hear it.
Yeah, sounds good.
You guys did an awesome job. The beds are filled. They look great.
So what is all this that you brought?
This is True Organic. It is the worldwide leader in organic fertilizer. It is science-based, ethically sourced, and it builds soil naturally and organically.
So is there specific food that we're supposed to use for specific plants?
Absolutely. Maybe you want to grow citrus. You've got a citrus fertilizer. Maybe you want to just do flowers. You've got all of these different varieties of true organic fertilizers that are dialed in specifically for the crop you want to grow.
So I see it says organic, but how safe is it for feeding our family?
Oh, it's such a good question. And it's something that I thought about too as a mom. And they employ a full-time on-site staff that's constantly monitoring the ingredients that go into their fertilizers. And they are the only certified food-safe organic plant food company out there, and also pathogen-free.
We are really so excited. We can't wait to see the fruit of our labor.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Oh, good. How you doing?
Doing good.
We're getting ready to plant, so which one of these should we be using first?
Start out with the raised bed fertilizer. You can broadcast it over the entire bed, work it about 6 inches into the soil, and if you're not sure how much to use, the back of the bag has your breakdown, so you can measure out exactly what you need based on your dimensions. It has everything your little plants need to get going.
How will we know when to actually fertilize and how often to do it?
Good rule of thumb, you put down your raised bed fertilizer first when you're planting. Then the second application of the tomato vegetable would go in when you see those flower buds forming. The next application of that same fertilizer would be when you see the fruit forming. Water it in really well. And it's about building soil over time too, because the more you take care of your soil, the better your soil becomes, and the more successful you'll be with your vegetable garden.
Okay.
Starting your very own garden is so easy to do. And what's not to love about being able to shop your own organic produce section? To find True Organic near you or online, go to trueorganic.earth or designingspaces.tv. Happy gardening.